Hi, good morning everyone. So basically today I have made another video to do a comparisons of these two models of wireless headsets. So I have two models over here coming out from the same company. I do not know how to pronounce it properly, but I call it Genai or Genai, as you like, Genai. So basically for these black models of this and this shape itself, we call it Genai GB. The model is GBW02, and this cost me ringgit Malaysia, because I'm from Malaysia, ringgit Malaysia 158 ringgit Malaysia. And for this one, this model itself, we call it Genai AirPro5. So the connection will be like this. So this one is slightly cheaper. It's only 130, and this is 158 that I bought in end of 2020, if I'm not mistaken. So earlier on I have showed the movie, later I post in the link itself. I already post on YouTube the unboxing of this model. Later I'll share in the link itself. Now what I'm going to do is, because I have used both of it, and I found out that one of the model itself has better quality and better connections. Means the better connection means that from the connected device using Bluetooth, how far I can go apart from the device that is connected. So what I assume and what I wanted is as far as possible, so that I will not get disrupted when I walk around to take something from other rooms. When I walk around to gather something or to wash my hand to go to the bathroom, it will not get disconnected. So that's the reason why I'm doing this video, to show you the difference, and definitely there's a very big difference between these two models. Stay tuned. Okay, so basically I have connected these models to the computer, and let's see how far this connection can go under this order. So let's see. You can hear it very clearly, right?
Explain this. Pete, tell us about the case and what the decision was here. Well, this involves the president's own Twitter account, @RealDonaldTrump. He would post things and then get critical comments from some people, so he blocked those people, and a small number of them sued, saying you can't do that. This is not a government forum. You're violating our free speech rights. And they won in the lower courts. The Court of Appeals, for example, in this case said that it was a sort of a limited public forum. The president also often announced official policy on his Twitter account, and there were contributions from White House staffers. The Justice Department under President Trump sued and said, no, this is a personal Twitter account. The president ought to be able to do with his account.
So basically I come down from upstairs to downstairs, and I can still hear the connection clearly.
And once he was no longer president, the feeling was this case is now moot.
Extremely good qualities. Okay, now we start to hear some distortions from this. So now we go nearer.
So another this we'll have to start all over again. All right, laid it out very nicely for us there. Pete Williams in Washington. Pete, thank you. Okay. The gunman in that deadly office shooting in Southern California.
Some distortion, right? Yeah.
I mean,
but it's extremely good, because from up there to down here, the connection is still clear. Okay, now we do the second test on this model itself, Genai GBW02 Airpots model. So we'll do the same testing. I'll connect this guy with the computer itself, already connected, and I will play the YouTube. I use the same way of testing. I will be walking from this second level, my room, close the door, and then going down the staircase and see how far this connection is going to last. Just now the first model, Airpods Genai AirPro5, can reach out to downstairs, near to my window, near to my door itself. So let's see how far this can go. So let's start.
Arbitrary decision that wasn't taken with a lot of transparency, They're also really concerned about how this is going to affect California's efforts to try to get the vaccine distributed equitably, particularly to make sure that it goes to Latino, Black, and to disadvantaged communities that have so far had lower than average vaccination rates. We spoke to some local officials here in California about timing of this decision. Take a listen to what they had to say.
I'm calling on FEMA to stay. If you're saying you're missing a note from the state, we, the local leaders who partnered with you, who provided public resources, who introduced you to our local communities, who gave the information about how to do equity and put in the extra work, reach those.
No, now the sound starts to disconnect.
And end this work right now.
Okay, so basically we already lost the connection when we reach down here. So we have not even go to the end. So this model itself, the connection is quite short compared to the AirPro. So the AirPro basically win these competitions. Thank you.